Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I am Afifa and I welcome you to another Quranic Arabic Simplified lesson number 11, which will focus on Quran practice for what you have learned on the simple nominal sentences. Please do stay regular with watching these 10-minute short videos since the lessons are building on your previous knowledge. I also have created playlists with titles such as Quranic Arabic Simplified or the Madinah Arabic Shortened, so you can search using these keywords. If you only understand a little bit from these lessons, please don't give up, as this will still help you understand some Quran during recitation. Please do comment and let me know how the learning is going. Let us begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now I'm going to summarize the general rules of the subject and the predicate that we have been looking at. I am not going to cover the exceptions because that is going to come in a future lesson, inshallah. So we've seen that the subject in Arabic is al-mubtada'u and it comes at the beginning of the sentence, as we have seen in all the examples. And mubtada is an ism, it is a noun, and it is the subject of talk or the subject of the sentence. And we've seen that the mubtada precedes or comes before the khabar. And the mubtada is definite. We have seen in all our examples, the mubtada is definite. In Arabic, it is called ma'rifatun. And we have seen that the khabar comes after the mubtada in our examples, and the khabar gives information or news about the mubtada. And we've also seen that in most cases that the khabar is indefinite. In Arabic, it is called nakiratun. Here are some examples for you to practice on your own, because the vocabulary here has either been used in this lesson or in a prior lesson. So I would suggest you try to identify the mubtada, the khabar, and try to translate the sentences. So the first sentence is Muhammadun zakiyun. It means Muhammad is intelligent, where Muhammad is the mubtada and zakiyun is the khabar. The next sentence is at-talibu mujtahidun. It means the student is hardworking, where at-talibu is the mubtada and the khabar is mujtahidun. And this last sentence is a little bit tricky, where we are going to go over this together in a little bit of detail. So the sentence is Hadhal mudarrisu jadidun. It means this teacher is new. So here the mubtada is haza. As we have said, it is a demonstrative pronoun and it means this. So this is the mubtada, and al-mudarrisu is not the khabar because it says this teacher. So al-mudarrisu is really a substitute for haza, and this concept of substitute is called badal, and we will study this in a future lesson. But for now, just realize that haza is the mubtada. And what is the khabar? What is the information about this teacher? So the teacher is new. So the khabar is jadidun. Okay, the khabar is jadidun because this teacher is new. And we also observe in all of these cases that the mubtada is definite and all the khabar here is indefinite. Now comes the best part, which is we go over an example from the Quran to understand nominal sentence. So let's take a look at this verse. Huwa ilahun wahidun. He is one God. So let's identify the mubtada here. The mubtada is huwa, he. Now, if you just say he and stop, the listener is waiting for more information about he. So the moment you say he is God, the sentence is complete. So here God is the khabar. The one word ilahun is the khabar here, okay? Because the sentence is complete once you say huwa ilahun. So what is this wahidun? It is an adjective that gives you more information about the noun God. So adjectives, as we will learn in future lessons, in Arabic it comes after the noun, but in English it comes before. Think of my example that I gave you before on red jacket. So in English the red comes before the noun, which is jacket, but in Arabic it comes after. So this is why wahidun is an adjective that describes the noun ilahun. Okay, see, so in English, see here, one comes before God. Okay, think of the red jacket. So let's make a few more observations that you have learned in the summary that I discussed. So we said mubtada usually comes in the beginning of the sentence and it is usually definite. Here the mubtada is huwa. It comes in the beginning and it is definite. And we said khabar usually comes after and it is indefinite. As you can see here, ilahun with the tanween is indefinite. So now let's keep practicing from the Quran on nominal sentences. Here is another verse, hadha zikrun. So please pause the video and try this on your own before we go over it together. Okay, so the mubtada here is hadha, which is this. So we said that hadha is a demonstrative pronoun and it falls in the category of nouns. So if you say this and stop, the listener is waiting for more information from you. What about this? So the moment you say this is a reminder, your sentence is now complete. So your khabar completes this topic of discussion, which is this. So the khabar is one word, which is dhikrun. Okay. So, and also please observe, as I mentioned to you before, in the translation you put is in English, but in Arabic the is not there. This is the to be verb is, which is not there in Arabic. Okay. So let's make our further observations. The mubtada hadha is definite. It is definite. Why? Because pronouns, this is a demonstrative pronouns, which is by its nature definite. Okay, dhikrun is indefinite. And how do you know that? Because of the tanween at the end. Okay, a reminder is the translation. In English, it is indefinite. Okay, now let's look at the second verse here. Hadha dhikrun mubarakun. Okay, notice the only addition here is mubarakun, right? So everything stays the same that we just explained. So what is this mubarakun? It is an adjective that describes the reminder. Okay, so as I mentioned before, in Arabic, the adjective comes after the noun it is describing, and in English, it comes before. So see, in English, we put blessed reminder. We put blessed before reminder. But in Arabic, it comes after, right? Dhikrun mubarakun. So the adjective describing the reminder comes after. Okay, and inshallah, we will study Arabic, the adjectives in more details in the future. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. سبحانك وبحمدك لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.